This is cat on crack. Now drag it back and forth. Jump, Yuki! She ran into Yuki. We're evil people, I swear to God.
That's so funny though. What is that noise?
It's over there! Okay, I'm getting dizzy. Shit!
Listen to her breathing. Listen. You
I think
hear
she's
her?
tired.
She's like, listen. Sounds
She's
like a
tired.
dog. Sounds like a dog. Oh, it's okay.
Melissa, you freaked out my cat.
I forgot, what is that?
Okay, I think you should stop.
Listen to it. Calm down.
Okay, I think we should give her some water. Pick her up and put her into the water.
There you go. Oh. Yeah.